It's ruined me day. See you, mate. Yeah, just gotta keep it moving. Well, it is moving, luckily. It's just outside, man. Outside business, outside houses. This traffic's like this for 16 days. Horrendous. Yeah, that's good. Please don't break my phone, for God's sake, Quadlock. Please. This bike has got a lot of vibrations. I can feel it all on my wrists and my hands. The thing is, I'm not going to buy a sat-nav. They're not the cheapest things. I mean, you might as well buy another phone and then do a hotspot. But it's just like for another phone, 100, 200 quid, whatever one you want that's, you know, a bit better model. You can't just get a cheap model. I'm going left. I'm not listening to the sat-nav there. Mate, there's no way I'm waiting in this. I'll have to go around the middle. Mate, this road's way big enough for all of us, so you might as well fucking move up. There's no way. I'm not chilling in this all day. Suck an egg, mate. Nice one. Just takes up the whole day. Just waiting in traffic. Ah, this is where I'm confused. What lane's everyone in? You in then, brother? Bed. I swear people don't know how to drive. Honest. Today people are full of fucking angry people, man. Did I fill up? I will find out, I guess. I'm glad I wore a jumper. That's enough, can I? Already? I mean, it's a windy day today. Really windy. God knows what it's going to be like in Buxton. God, it's windy. I mean, it looks like the dampener's doing a good job because it's shaking. It's rattling round. I just hope the camera ain't doing like bump carts are. Yep, we'll soon see if it works or not. I think it broke quite instantly as well when I didn't use the dampener. So I literally picked my phone off and I went to take a picture or something and it just wouldn't work. I was like, ah, yeah, that's broke. I don't have a clue what it was really, but